Do you track your website conversions? If not, you are missing out. Hey everyone, my name is Lokesh Kaushik, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about website conversions and why you must track them. So let's get started. Now, what are the website conversions? Website conversions are the meaningful actions that you want your users to take while visiting your website because they are valuable to your business. What are those actions whom we call conversions? When someone landed on your website, they read the whole information, and after they find it useful, they decided to submit your contact form, which is valuable action for your business because you get a lead. Similarly, when they decide to call you by clicking the call button on your website, or subscribe to your email list, or send you an email by clicking the email link mentioned on your website. So all these actions are valuable for your business, and therefore we call them conversions. Why you must track your website conversions? It's important to understand how your website is performing online and how many leads it's generating for your business, because more leads equal more sales. And it also gives you the information on what channels or mediums are driving more leads. Let's say you're getting more leads via organic search. That means your SEO is performing very well, and you can continue to spend more time improving your organic search rankings because it's working for your business. You can also find out how your marketing campaigns are performing. Is it CPC, that is Google Ads or Bing Ads, or whether it's social media channels like Facebook or LinkedIn? This way you will know what's working for your business, and you can plan your digital marketing strategy accordingly. So how to track your website conversions? In order to track your website conversions, you need to set up goals inside your Google Analytics account. Let's say you want to track your contact form submissions. To do that, you have to set up a destination goal in Google Analytics. So when a user visits your website and fills the contact form, and when they click submit button, it actually takes them to a new page called thank you page. Instead of showing a thank you message on the screen, you actually directs them to a thank you page, which you can track using Google Analytics goals. This way you will be able to track your contact form submissions. Remember to not to add the link to that thank you page anywhere else on your website. So the only way a user can visit that thank you page is after submitting that contact form. Let's say you want to track how many times users call you by clicking the contact number mentioned on your website, or send you an email by clicking the email link mentioned on your website. You can do so by using Google Tag Manager. All you have to do is set up an event tracking code using Google Tag Manager. In this video, I wanted to explain everything about website conversions and why you must use them. If you find it useful and want to know in practical how to track those conversions, comment below and let me know, and I will create another video to show you how you can track those conversions. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.